Mr. By the Mile, thanks for coming back. You're going to want to hit that thumbs up. And if you dislike, remember, hit that thumbs down twice. I'm here at my consignee. Picked the load up in Savage, Minnesota. And I am here in Richfield, Ohio. Delivering 2 cement slabs, total of 31,000 pounds. Total miles for the week so far, it is Friday. The cutoff, remember, is Monday night, Tuesday morning, midnight to get paid. So a total of 3126 or something like that for the week. Definitely over 3,100. So that's good. If they give me a load today, which I'm sure they will, who knows? If I deliver after the cutoff, obviously those miles would be on the next check. Not next Friday's, but the week after. But that's okay. My goal is to hit at least, 3,000 miles a week. 28, 29, okay, not bad. Still good. Still a good check. For those of you who don't have child support or anything like that, you'll be good with 2,800 miles a week, man. Getting paid what we get paid, and now $100 a load for tarping. Psh, excellent. I'm going to show you the road. I'm going to show you the load right now and kind of explain how I secured it. We'll get into that in just a second. I'm going to explain the miles to you. So what happened is last week I got the load on, Friday? And it was a 2-stopper, and I delivered in Wisconsin. So I made that delivery first to Pella, Iowa, and then to Wisconsin. Dude, now this guy seriously wants to come to me after all this time. Hold on, guys.
Lap, buddy.
What's up?
Over there, see that crane over there? That's where you gotta go. Pull out of here, make a right, go to the end of the road.
Pull out of here?
Yeah.
Going which way?
You gotta go that way.
I know, but how do I turn around?
You got in here. I'll be nice. You can go around the building.
All right.
Hey, as you tell me, seeing your guys too, they had like 6 guys pulling here yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
You see motion, I think. Is that what you did too? You see all the other trucks pulling here?
That's where the directions brought me.
Oh, shit. Yeah, at the end of that road right there.
All right.
Pull out here, make a right.
Pull out, make a right.
Yeah, you'll see there's a crane boom over there. That's
On,
what it's doing.
on this side? This side of the street or that side of the street?
Dead end.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. All right, so we're going to get moving. That's it.
No. I could get a nice camper and go camping.
But there that is. That's the nature of the job. Doesn't happen like that all the time, but it happens. Make sure that's still... There we go. All right. So, there we go. Let's turn around, man. Shit. So, explaining those miles to you. 2-stopper, right? So I could have delivered before. Oh, come on, man.
Probably have to turn around back there if you got room. Then we got those plugged up. You won't be able to go around the back side of the building and come around.
Go that way.
Do that?
Yeah.
We'll watch it.
I think I can go like this. Go straight, come back.
Pull up back in there.
I'm gonna go forward.
Okay, I got you.
This should work out all right. Some maneuvering around. off the traction control. Give me more grid. Oh, shoot.
I gotta go load these storms all the way back up to the front of my truck and then maybe pull up.
That side clear? Thanks.
So I had to be careful. That was a little tight on the backup. 3 spotters, man. That was nice. That was heaven. All right, so let's explain these miles. It's only 7 minutes long. That's all good. So yeah, sometimes it'll work out to where, you know, if you got like 2 stops or something like that, chances are you might, you know, those miles might have to go into the next week. So I'm looking at taking home $600 for last week. It's a total of like, I only got 1,500 miles, something like that. If these miles had gone on there, I would have hit, what, 3,000 miles. But, you know, it happens. That's trucking. I'll talk about what I made for the month though. Because even though some people see it as, oh man, you know, pay fluctuations and blah, 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 blah. Nah, bro. It's not that bad. Especially when you're getting the right, you know, a good cent per mile and all these other incentives that to make money that Flatbed has to offer, like the overlength and all that stuff. So, I mean, it's all good. So depending on the load they give me today, right, I could end up with a little over 4,000 miles for the week for the check. So that'll be good, man. That'll be real good. Let's hope I get a good long run that I can deliver before the cutoff of Monday night, Tuesday morning, midnight. Let's hope. Like I said, if, hold on a second, guys, gotta let this guy go through. But like I said, okay, he's gonna let me go, my man. I was right here all along. Stupid. Crazy. if you're not sure where you're at, always get out and ask. I was only there for about 10 minutes. I was gonna wait until after, you know, I did the video, which wasn't gonna be long. Then I was gonna ask, hey man, what's going on? But here we are, here we is. You know, where the hell am I gonna go? Let's go to the right, see where that gets me. Where's that crane? Where's that crane? Find that crane. But anyways, you get the idea of what I'm saying, you guys. You get the idea. You know, it's just all about don't put off tomorrow what you can do today. You know, I got on the road a little earlier, especially with this load, because I got there in the evening, right about 7:45 p.m. Secured and strapped the load that night. You know, it wasn't a hard job. Easy to do. Easy does it.
What, bro?
God, dude.
Slab. Over there.
Over there? Thanks.
Yeah, just flip around and right there.
Luckily it's slick so I can... Thanks, man.
People are helpful, you see, man. It's cool. Now, what he was just telling me to do, I was about to do, because I don't see no crane anywhere, so I'm just gonna circle the area. It's a big construction site. There's a lot of room to move, so it's all good, man. I'm not worried. I'm not worried one bit. I just have to spin around where I got plenty of room, because remember, you want to avoid jackknifing the trailer. When the ground is slick though, you're good. You know, you just take it slow, and then you can slide, slippity slide. You can slide, slippity slide. This is fun, huh? We're maneuvering around, chatting, having a good time. So, I want to give a shout out to Pete Mernier, okay? Check out his channel. I hope I'm saying his name right. M-I-R-N-Y-I is the last name. Pete Mernier, another flatbedder. Started a couple months ago. And I really like his channel. We share a lot of the same beliefs, similar beliefs. And I like his message. I like his editing. I like his channel. Like I said, man, you guys, you know, the other flatbedders out there, if you have a channel, dude, I'm not a hater. I will share your stuff. If it's good, I'll share it. And obviously it's opinion, right, of what you think is good and what is not. So, but it really is good. Really is good. So what I'm delivering are these concrete slabs, about what, I would say 48 feet long, 2 of them. It weighs 30,000 pounds for a gross vehicle weight of like 63,000, maybe 64. So not too heavy. This is light, man. This is child's play. So that's what I'm working with today. When it comes to these concrete slabs, you've got to strap over the dunnage. And I used 8 straps in total for a total securement of a little over 40,000 pounds. So it's secure. Only straps. Then I used edge protectors because obviously concrete is sharp sometimes. Sometimes, my man, sometimes. Yeah, I'm not going that way. That doesn't look good at all. It looks like I'll get stuck. Screw that, my man. Shit. I'll show you guys the load right now in the mirror. But I'm gonna have to lay down some plastic on the floor and keep my carpet nice and clean, man, because I like having a smooth surface, man. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, you guys, check out Pete Murnya's channel, okay? It's a good one. You'll learn a lot, you'll see a lot. And like I said, he does really great editing. He has a good message. And, you know, so if you like a lot of the stuff that I talk about, you'll find value in what he speaks of, especially if you're spiritual. So, we're all spiritual. It's just all about finding your center.
Yeah, I guess I can swing out on that main road once I navigate all of this.
So, a little long today. Not going to make it any longer, you guys. Mr. By the Mile, thank you all for coming back. For my regular subscribers, man, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you dislike, make sure to hit the thumbs down twice. All you truckers out there, take care, stay safe. See you on the road.